field of elite military units is one of constant innovation and development. These soldiers are equipped with some of the world's most advanced and deadly weapons, designed to give them an edge in combat. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the craziest personal weapons the Army has, from handheld firearms with advanced technology to cutting-edge melee weapons. These weapons are designed to strike fear into the enemy's hearts and give the user a significant advantage in battle. To know all these weapons, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned till the end of the video to not miss a thing about these deadly weapons of elite units. Let's get started with the SSW-40. It is a unique weapon in that it is the first automatic, magazine-loaded, shoulder-fired grenade launcher. However, it is not clear whether automatic means that the weapon is capable of fully automatic fire, or if it is a semi-automatic weapon intended to be fired from the shoulder like a traditional firearm. Similar semi-automatic weapons that are primarily fired from bipods or vehicle mounts have been developed in various parts of the world. The company behind the SSW-40 claims that its handling, ergonomics, and design were inspired by assault rifles, giving the launcher a streamlined and familiar look. Moving on to the next. Barrett MRAD Mk22. The Barrett MRAD Mk22 is a precision sniper rifle designed for long-range engagements. It features a lightweight and modular design that allows the shooter to quickly and easily adapt the rifle to different mission requirements. The MRAD Mk22 is chambered in the .338 Norma Magnum round, offering a maximum effective range of over 2,000 meters.
The MRAD actually came from the original design of the 98 Bravo, which is a bolt-action design as well. The 98B does not have a folding stock, it doesn't have an extended rail, and it's got a fixed barrel. The barrel can't be changed out.
The rifle has a fully adjustable folding stock and an integrated Picatinny rail system for mounting optics and accessories.
So I use my handy tool, which is a pocket knife belt clip. You will rotate that around.
Additionally, the MRAD Mk22 has a quick detachable barrel system that enables the user to quickly switch between calibers, making it a versatile and reliable choice for military and law enforcement applications. Here comes the futuristic, invisible suit. Researchers at the University of California, Irvine are developing invisibility patches that could potentially provide effective camouflage for soldiers and vehicles against infrared vision systems. The patches are based on a structural protein called reflectin, which is found in common squid and enables them to change the color and reflectivity of their skin. Reflectin operates in the same wavelengths as night vision systems, making it a promising solution for improved camouflage. However, it may take several years to scale up this discovery for practical use in the military. Current camouflage technology is inadequate against infrared vision systems, and the development of invisibility patches could potentially address this issue. Now, take a close look at this next-gen tech, the L3Harris ENVG-B. The L3Harris ENVG-B arms soldiers with superior abilities to target, engage, and neutralize threats, enhancing mission success and operator safety. The ENVG-B is a helmet-mounted, dual-waveband goggle with industry-leading, fused white phosphor and thermal technologies. It has a fusion technology that lets the soldiers get real-time.
Beyond their increased night vision capability that they are getting from the white phosphor tubes moving forward is really the rapid target acquisition, right? The bringing in the ISW inter-soldier wireless network into this kit and being able to deliver them video from the weapon sight into the head has been a major win for the soldier.
Actionable intelligence through the fusion of image intensified, I2, white phosphor tubes, and thermal imaging. Its augmented technology lets soldiers keep their eyes on the target without having to look down to read maps or check radios for critical information. Through its rapid target acquisition, soldiers can see around corners without the risk of exposure. This allows soldiers to identify, assess, and engage targets with greater accuracy and speed. Next on the list is an amazing non-lethal weapon, the DroneGun Tactical. It is a portable device that can disrupt the signal between a drone and its operator. It works by jamming the radio frequencies used by the drone's control system, causing the drone to lose its connection with the operator. With a range of up to 2 kilometers, it is an effective tool for disabling drones from a safe distance. The DroneGun Tactical is a non-lethal weapon that provides an effective means of countering the threat posed by drones, including preventing unauthorized surveillance, smuggling, and attacks in both civilian and military settings. In the end, we got a deadly science fiction military weapon called the Dragonfire. The Dragonfire laser weapon is a cutting-edge technology developed by the UK's Ministry of Defence. It is a powerful laser weapon that is designed to destroy drones, missiles, and other threats from the sky.
This is a full-scale model of our demonstration prototype, which is actually going to be ready for demonstration in 2019.
The Dragonfire uses a solid-state laser system that produces a concentrated beam of light that can burn through metal and disable electronic systems. It is mounted on a turret and can be controlled remotely, making it an incredibly versatile and effective weapon. The Dragonfire is particularly useful in urban combat situations where drones and other unmanned aerial vehicles can pose a serious threat to soldiers on the ground. With its incredible precision and power, the Dragonfire is a game-changer on the battlefield.
Ben, I'm the technical partner with Dragonfire. So Dragonfire's laser-directed energy weapon demonstrator that we've been building in order to prove the technology around laser weapons to show that they're genuinely practicable technology for delivering weapon systems.
Well, the weapons used by elite military units are some of the most advanced and deadly in the world. These weapons are designed to give the user a significant advantage in combat and to strike fear into the enemy's hearts. While these weapons are incredibly powerful, they also represent a significant danger to soldiers and civilians alike. It is important to remember that the actual cost of war is often paid in human lives. Let us hope that one day we will find a way to end conflicts without the need for such deadly weapons. Well, this brings an end to our video, but we will come back with some new and interesting videos of in the future. Till then, make sure that you like our video, and do share your views and opinions with us in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel New World Tech to get tech videos from us regularly. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.